Hey there, fellow marketers. Welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about an important tool that helps clean up your email list and reduce those annoying bounce backs. We're talking about LaraValidator, a tool that verifies email addresses. You can find the tool link in the first comment below. Let's jump in and see how LaraValidator works. First, you will see a simple interface. For example, we'll head to our email list that needs cleaning. All I have to do is copy the list and paste it into LaraValidator and press Start Verification. Give it a bit to do its thing. Once it's done, click Copy to grab the valid email addresses. Then, paste them into a TXT or CSV file. And voila! I've got a clean email list. After this explanation, you can clean your mailing lists for free using LaraValidator. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. It helps us keep making awesome content and sharing helpful tools with you.